everybody, what's up? Okay, so today we are back to my YouTube channel.
What do we have today, Idrisi?
We got
What are all this rubbish?
Not rubbish, whatever it is. Yeah, we got a fast car. Ooh, looks fast. We're actually using this car pack for like a golf. We're thinking, should we use a golf ball? Because actually we can't lah, but maybe we can roll it down there. Or we use a car. So we're thinking like, okay, let's make it a race. So by making it a race, we was thinking of, okay, we put two cars, then after that, yeah, we just race it through and then we see which one goes first. And actually there's one more there. There's one high one, so I did a special one. So the plan is like this. This one will be the last one and then I'll tick from there. Okay, I'll move this one there. After that, I'll tick. After that, when this one knock, I'm going to put the thing there. After that, the thing will do the bonus one. So it's like the ref and it's like the whoever wins, like the thing, like the winner present.
Okay, can we start now?
Okay.
There's a lot of talking already.
Yeah. So come here. Just be careful. Go around this way, mister.
Okay.
Go at the back. Go at the back. Ooh, that's dangerous. Yeah. It's okay. So bend down here, please. We need to see. Okay, I'm scared that I might actually ruin it. So I just move it a bit before just to be safe. Oh my god. I put it at the wrong place first. So in fact, this is for one box. I did these two cars and they were like
Okay, come on.
60 something. Okay, fine. So traffic lights, gotta go. Let's go. Beep. Okay. And now, which one you choose? I choose this one. Okay.
I choose the racing one.
You
The
choose
right
this one?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is gonna lose. Beep. 1, 2, 3. Please don't fail. Oops. Let's try again, yeah? If you don't fail, we're just gonna use our hands. Just don't fail. I don't think so, this car. Oh my god. Pause the video. Okay guys, I fixed it. Okay guys, I fixed it. So I'm gonna do a lane. Please don't fail, yeah? I'm gonna go for near, play it safe. 1, 2, go! Not again. Okay, I'll just push it like this. 1, 2, oh my god. 3, and discoveries.
Okay.
And for the prize opening ceremony bonus, will it succeed or fail? No re-attempting, yeah? Okay. I built this thing by myself. No manual or anything. Fail! And the gift must still go on. Fail! The gift must still go on. We have 3 attempts and it was a good failure. Goodbye for today's Domino Part 2 Racing.